Good afternoon, everyone. It's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and we are going to make these cute parrots. Because why not? Parrots are kind of cool, and they certainly don't live in Maine, but they're still cool. And pirates like parrots, kids like pirates. It's all good. Let's get started. You need some pipe cleaners, some kind of cardstock, some paint, and some scissors and glue. So I have a piece of paper, and I'm going to fold that piece of paper in half, and it can be any piece of paper. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make tail and body and head like this, and then beak. So this is going to be that, and then that. All right, so there is my parrot shape. So I'm going to cut that out on the fold like that. Okay, so there is my parrot body first, and then I'm going to do wings, and I can do them so that they have some feathers like that, so they're very wingy. That, I like it. And these will go right on here. So there's my wings. So what I'm going to do is I have a paintbrush and a little bit of paint, and I'm going to paint the beak like this. That. I'm gonna paint some of the wing, and I can paint both. I can paint both wings. So there's some, and then I have some pink in the middle, because parrots are very colorful. Then I have a little bit of blue like this, which turns kind of purpley because the colors are mixing. There we go. I'm going to do blue on here like that. There we go. Like it. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do some tail feathers. I'm going to do lots of tail feathers, and I'm going to use all the colors and kind of stripe them. All right, so now, and I'm going to do, and you can do both of those. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue my head together. Just the head. Like that. Just going to glue that together. Okay? Just like that. And I'm leaving this open. Then I'm gonna put on my wing and the other wing. There we go. And then what I'm gonna do is I have feet. So I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna bend it. 1, 2, 3. And bring it around. Oops. There we go. Okay. Oops. There we go. There is another foot. And then I am going to put those inside. Okay, so putting this right in here. There's 1 foot and 2 feet. Like that. And there we go. There are the feet. 1 up, 1 down. And then it's not dry, but I'm going to, okay, I cut out a circle, a little dot in the middle, and then glue it on right there. And there you have it. 2 different parrots. Happy creating. Hugs. Miss Amy, have a great weekend, and don't forget, we have a book fair tomorrow. Come check it out at the library.